Using conditional formatting. Click the cell. Hold down the Shift key and click the final cell. Click on Conditional Formatting. Select Highlight Cells Rules, then Duplicate Values. Click OK. Select a duplicates box and press Delete to delete it. Click on Conditional Formatting again. Select Clear Rules, then Clear Rules from entire sheet to clear formatting. Save your document's changes. Click the cell. Hold down the Shift key and click the final cell. Click on the Data tab. Find the Data Tools section of the toolbar. Click Remove Duplicates. This will bring up a customization window. Click Select All. This will verify all of your columns have been selected. Click the My Data Has Headers option, if applicable. Click OK to remove duplicates.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.